get customers to take a survey and to make it fun? So first, a show of hands. How many of you have taken a survey that goes on way too long? Yeah, and then keep your hands up. What about, sometimes you don't even understand the questions that they're asking, right? Yeah. And then sometimes you feel like the company should already know the information that they're asking. Why are you asking me this again, right? So these attributes contribute to something called survey fatigue, where we just do not want to take any more surveys. So as a small business, wanting to get customer feedback and wanting to listen to your customers, what can you do to make that happen? Well, you can follow some guiding principles. You can keep it short, right? We just talked about long surveys are a drag. Ask actionable questions that you have some influence over. Make sure each question that you're asking has an owner to the responses, somebody that can review the feedback and do something about it. Give rewards. There are companies who, you're entered in a raffle, you get a free piece of pie next time you come back. If you are able to give something back, if a customer takes a few minutes and gives you the feedback, try to do that. Your response rate will increase a little bit. And then make it interesting. Make it fun, or don't ask those questions about how old are you, what's your income, where do you live? Oh my gosh, that's so boring. Ask something interesting so that they get excited about giving you the feedback. And I'm going to add one other thing on here that I try to do, which is let your customers know what you're doing with their feedback, right? It's huge to somebody. I took a few minutes to take a survey and tell you what I thought. I want to know what you're going to do with it. So be sure to close that loop. And if you're asking customers to tell you what they think, use their information and let them know how you're using it.